Hi, I'm Paul Toll from PaulToll.com, and I'm going to show you that Kingdom Come Deliverance works for Mac. Well, this is Porting Kit. Porting Kit is a tool from portingkit.com, and you can port loads of thousands of games to your Mac to play it. You've got a database with over 2,000 games, which are ported and ready to install. With amazing titles, from which also, of course, Kingdom Come Deliverance. So let's get started. I already installed the game. You can purchase the game on GOG.com. I've tested that version of the game. You can download Porting Kit from portingkit.com, and click download to download the installer, the application, and you can follow the instructions. Just move the application to your application folder. This is Porting Kit 5, but Porting Kit 6 is already almost finished. So and also in beta, so you can use that to play the game on your Mac. So because this is also Porting Kit 6. So yeah. All right, let's get started. I just installed it. It's quite easy. It's simply click on the application and click on next, finish. It has GOG.com integration, so account integration, and it will be a matter of next, finish, and then you can play the game. So this game is quite a large one, so this took a little bit of time to download and install. So that's why I'm going to just show you that it works. So I clicked on play, which is of course the play option. I tested it on my Apple Silicon Mac. This is the MacBook Pro M1 Apple Silicon. It's working quite smooth. It will only have some longer loading times than used to on the Windows application. In this test, you will see that it goes quite fast, but there are some loading points which takes a bit longer. So don't be afraid if you see this black screen for a dozen of seconds, but just have some patience and it will just come all fine. As you can see here. And as you can see here, it has quite a good performance in my opinion. Oops. Poor bird. Hello.
That'll be all. How are you?
Yes, I'm good. Hello. Oh, wrong one.
You can't be serious, Dodge. Insulting.
Skipping that talk part. Sure, why not?
Well, father can wait a while.
My words exactly.
I knew you wouldn't miss out on all the fun. Let's...
Hello.
So are we doing this or not?
Wait. We have to check that the coast is clear.
Why? The Deutsch is in the tavern. And that's a problem?
Aye, it is.
Be-
What do you want, lad?
I just went by the tavern and your husband was in.
What sort of nonsense?
Well,
Gordon,
He might.
thank...
What are you waiting for, soldier? Fire the trebuchet! For king and country!
for king and country, my ass, this is all good, clean, fun.
Nearly as good as having that traitor in the pillory. Nearly. Now that would be sweet.
That's for Sigismund.
Woohoo!
Eat shit, Deutsches.
You bastards! What the fuck do you think you're doing?
Hey, Hans, can't you see? We're decorating your house for you.
It's like your old man was saying in the tavern about that traitor Sigismund. We're just doing what we have to do.
I'll set you straight out.
What are you doing? For God's sake! Stop right now! The catchpole is on his way!
Good day, Henry.
What the?
Well, and so on and so on. So, enjoy this one, and yeah, get Porting Kit as fast as you can. Also, check polletol.com. News with all kind of news and new games which has been ported. So, yeah, enjoy.